Alright guys, this is a new fan that I got. We're going to replace that Halsey clock that was in my brother's sister's room that got broken. But now my dad said I can have this one. This is a unknown GEV. It's probably made by like tech for print or it's something, I don't know, a Concord or something. So yeah, here's the light. Yeah, the shades are not original to it. It came in shades, and I still have them. It came with these shades. Yeah, you can see these front, these clear shades. So let's do low. Pretty good air mover on low, I guess. Yeah. Now I have 24 fans in my collection. Yeah, and you guys have already saw the video of this unknown. Yeah, you already saw that video. And that video is already on our channel. Yeah. And the globe on this one is not original either. Well, I mean, I'm throwing out the original globe because it's got some problems with it. Just medium. Medium. Yeah, there's a pretty good air mover. And I put the short download, the long download back on the markers, so we can see. Yeah. Okay, let's go high. Might wobble a little bit. Oh, no wobble. I thought it was gonna wobble. Light. Pretty decent air movement. Spin down. Reverse. Yeah, I still have my Delta 2.5 band up wheel. Yeah, but sadly I'm pulling out my Hunter flip. It works, but my dad took the blade from that fan to replace the blades on the collection. Unfortunately. So yeah, that one can trash. Okay. to reverse flow. Yeah, the blades are, I mean, they're not that warped, I guess. They're medium. Yeah. Reverse. I got too high. Oh my god. So yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.